Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen. As always, today we're going to do a very simple side dish. It's going to be a butter honey corn. It's just going to be frozen corn, some butter, some honey, and one other ingredient. I'm not going to tell you what yet, with some salt and pepper. And it's just going to be a simple side, real quick, real easy to do, but it's going to bring just a little extra flavor to that corn, and we're going to see what it's like. I've never had this before, but the recipe looks good, so let's make some corn. Simple corn, not hard to do, except this is going to be a little bit of honey, a little bit of butter. So 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons, roughly of honey. 1, 2, 1 pound of frozen corn, 16-ounce bag. I buy it in bulk, but I would weigh this out. And mine is actually thawed. It's still cool, not quite room temperature. But that's going to get a stir. And that's going to cook. I'm going to stir it a few times, make sure I get the butter and honey mixed through it. But that's going to stir for, or cook for 3 to 5 minutes till it starts to cook through. And then we're going to add the last ingredient. So we'll be back in just a moment. Alright, I've added salt and pepper to it. Don't remember the amounts that I said in the recipe, but I'll have that in the video link in the description. The exact amounts that it calls for. I just put in how much I felt it needed and tasted it. And the last ingredient is 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. And just going to cook that through about another 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure your corn is hot. Make sure it's cooked. And serve immediately. So when that melts down and gets stirred through, we will have the rest of the plates ready to go, and we'll be time for supper, and we'll show you it and have a taste test. We are done. We got the whole meal laid out, but we're taste testing just the corn for this part. Honey and butter corn. It's a little hot. That's good. That's very good. Wow. I can barely taste the honey. Obviously, it's a buttery flavor. And creamy because of the cream cheese. It's not quite cream corn consistency, but it's close. But it doesn't have that cream corn flavor.
It's very good.
2 thumbs up. Simple, easy to throw together, quick. I like it. Yes? 2 thumbs up? Alright, give it a try, folks. Let us know what you think. And we're going to call this close so we can get on to our next video. And we'll see you on another episode. Have a good night.